Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to make some burger rings, y'all. Burger rings, have it your way. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, y'all made some burger rings. And I got some sauce right here that I made, which is very simple. I have that in the description down below. But y'all, just want to jump on here real quick to show y'all what I just made. This is not my complete meal. I wanted to do this part. I wanted to do this part while the house was quiet. So yeah, y'all. So we're about to see what these burger rings taste like. Let me go ahead and bless this food. All right. We're about to see what these joints taste like. I'm only gonna get on here just to taste it, y'all, because I'm not finished my meal. I'm gonna make me some fries. Yeah, and so which I'm gonna put the fries in the air fryer. They're gonna be like potato wedges or whatever. So when I get to that part, you'll see that part at the end of the video. So yeah, we're about to see what this tastes like. So this is the burger ring, y'all. It's the burger sauce that I made, which is vegan. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Ooh, that's good, y'all. I was gonna add some vegan cheese in there, but I'll do that the next time. But this joint right here, good. I did add some B12, which is I use nutritional yeast, so that has B12 in it. Nutritional yeast is like it gives it that cheesy flavor. So yeah, if you ever see nutritional yeast in the grocery stores, get some and try it out because it gives it that cheesy flavor. But yeah, but these right here, y'all, I'm so hot. Oh my god, I need to turn my AC on. It's super hot in here. But these joints right here are good. Mmm. Oh my god. Mmm. Food is good, y'all. I'm not gonna eat too much of it because I gotta make my thumbnail, y'all. I didn't even do that yet. And the reason being because again, you're gonna see the full meal at the end of this video. But yeah, so and I don't wanna eat too much because this is my dinner. Y'all already know that. Y'all know that. Mm. Ooh. You make me happy. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. All right, y'all. Mm-hmm. I'm finished chewing. As y'all already know, this is my dinner. This is the end of this video. Always remember, if ain't no love in it, don't do it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys in the next video.